Randolph helps us by giving us the direction that we need to be able to achieve the goals that we're here for.
I really just love how small our community is. It's just very personable here and very genuine. I definitely feel a genuine connection being here on campus.
Finding the perfect college fit is important. Whether you plan to transfer from a community college or other four-year institution, Randolph will make the process as easy as possible.
So as a transfer student, I felt like I wasn't just thrown into it. I didn't have to keep going to different offices and being like, hey, can you help me with this? Or hey, I don't know what to do. It was like one email and then my advisor was like, come in. And that was awesome.
People here want me to succeed, and I feel that way every single day.
Extremely accommodating is how I would describe it. I couldn't have hoped for more.
Take advantage of Randolph's generous financial aid, innovative Take-Two curriculum model, nationally ranked faculty, small class sizes, diverse, close-knit community, and growing academic and athletic programs. Planning to transfer from a Virginia community college? Randolph's guaranteed admission agreement with the Virginia Community College system makes it easy. And additional general education courses are not required for those with VCCS associate's degrees.
It's something that you can't get from other universities or larger campuses.
It's an amazing school, and I'm so glad I made that choice to come here.
I know I'm where I'm supposed to be. I'm doing what I'm supposed to be doing, and it feels so great.
Apply today.